you know you're all that I've got. Come on, girl.
The first thing I'm going to do is lose her hair because I already washed it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it with a big T comb. Blow drying. See, look, this is all I take out from my hair, this much. So I'm happy my hair is not falling out no more. So I'm going to get my blow dryer, and my one is Remington. It really doesn't matter what blow dryer you have as long as you know how to use it. So I'm going to put it low and medium. Okay, low fan and medium heat. So yeah, before that I'm going to pop my hair. Just gonna put it like this because see guys, I only felt this and I'm done. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you that I use this. My mother-in-law recommend me this to use when I iron my hair. So I use it and it's really good, so I highly recommend it. I spray a little bit on my hair before I blow dry it, and now I'm going to use a little bit more to iron my hair. Okay, so
I dive into your love so I could feel my breath again. Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. You give me strength to carry on, pull me into you.
alright, so now I'm going to use this comb. It's the teeth is a little bit more smaller to hold it. So I'm gonna get this much. I'm going to start.
You give my life again. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love could make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. Fill my heart like.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting.
Alright guys, I finally finished with this section of my hair. It's already straightened. Okay, so now I'm going to start with this part. So yeah, let's begin.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute. When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
So now we're gonna start with this part and we finish.
Another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute. Another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
Alright guys, so as you see, when I iron in my hair, you see like smoke coming out or the steam or whatever. Don't be shocked about that because you don't have to worry about nothing since you are using this. You are protected, so your hair is real protected, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright,
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute.
nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this.
Alright guys, this was all for the video. This is how I straighten my hair from curly to straight. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video. Comment what you think about it. And yep, so I dyed my hair in a natural blue black, so this is how it look. It's not black, full black. So yep, I'm going to try and take a video in the sun so you can see the color much better. But yep, this is it for today. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
There's no